So this is something I did today. I took care of a bunch of brush and then cleared a path to the river. So I'm going to turn the phone around and you can see the ash pile. This was all, there's lots of bush brush in this area, and now it's just a pile of ash. And don't worry, I'll make sure that's completely out before I leave. Nice and hot still. And so let me pan around here. I also cleared brush, bushes on the river. This whole area was full of brush or bushes. As bushes you can see on the sides, all that stuff like that I cleared out. You can see some of the stumps left behind. And now we can actually make our way down to the riverbank. Yay! So there's where I piled all the brush, and that I cleared out. And I left some trees. We like trees, so we'll clean all this up. And you can see the river. I can actually walk down and show you the river now, and our neighbors across the river. And I'm going to turn around so you can see the path back up to the fence. So anyway, we are planning, or the plan is now, to take the house down on Tuesday. So woohoo! We can't wait. It delayed a little bit because we had some moisture, some rain come through, and they didn't want to get stuck or cause a muddy mess. So anyway, signing off for this Saturday. We'll see you when we get more stuff done. So thanks, bye.